Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money by the PayPal app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the PayPal app on your home screen. Now open it. Now to send the money, here you can find the option of send money right here. Now go ahead and select it. Then here you can find the search option. Now search the person you want to send money to, just like this. And after finding the person, simply tap onto the profile option and then tap on to continue. Now after tapping the continue button, if you can send the money to the person, you can simply send it. And if you can't send the money, you will see the option like this. And that's it. This is how you can send money by the PayPal app. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.